Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Double Trouble. This is me, Jemima Rodrigues, and with me I have my partner in crime, Smriti Mandana. Woo! So, guys, you know what? We are really overwhelmed by the kind of response we got from our first episode. I mean, we didn't expect it, right, Smriti?
Yeah, Jamie, I think it was amazing the way everyone responded to our first episode. Didn't expect, that people will love it that much. But yeah, really happy and really happy that we could deliver a good content in the first episode.
I know it was amazing, and we both also enjoyed it so much. And in the first episode, you all heard a lot about me, Smriti's first impression about me. But today, I am going to spoil your impression, Smriti.
Oh, yeah, come on, Jamie. I have a
No,
good
no, no, no,
impression.
no, 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 no,
No,
no.
Jamie.
Yeah, so I remember the first tour. I think we both were room partners. South Africa tour it was. So first time I entered the room, first time I'm meeting Smriti, like properly meeting, not like the previous episode, properly talking to her. So I walked in with my suitcase and Smriti is facing her back towards me, okay? And she had an iPad here. And the TV was on. I looked at the TV and a cricket match is going on. So I was like, okay, I think she's like cricket the whole day. And many people had told me, actually, I had this impression about her because many people had told me, you should be as serious and focused as Smriti. See how dedicated she is. She's scoring. She's doing well. I was like, okay, fine. This is the kind of impression we had. So then she came, we started talking, and then she turned around and a movie was going on the iPad. I'm like, you watch movies? Like, what do you mean I watch movies? Smriti got very offended. Like, I don't know why did she get so offended.
नहीं बताती हूँ why I'm offended because I used to सब लोग मुझे हमेशा they used to think that I'm this kind of a girl और अगर मैं जोक भी मारी या कुछ भी की तो they used to be like अच्छा तू जोक भी मारती है तो I used to be like क्या है ये मतलब मैं नॉर्मली लड़की हूँ I'm just this normal girl who is like who loves enjoying stuff loves playing video games and सबको लगता था कि I used to just come back to my room and I used to just watch cricket videos practice about my batting and I don't think मैं वो कर ज़्यादा I don't do that much how much people used to think I do.
Yeah, no, I think, but mainly we had this impression also because of your specs. You are like the studious, nerdy kind of a person.
Yeah, I think I used to get away with a lot of stuff with my specs look.
Yeah, so I mean that was the impression I had, but when we started staying together more as room partners, I realized that Smriti is not like this as she comes across as this image that she has. She is a very different person if you be with her. She loves having chai, she loves playing video games, she loves watching movies.
चाय से याद है जेमी was this on that tour if you remember जेमी तूने इतनी चाय बनाई होगी I don't know वो बहू होती है ना जिस नई नई आती है टीम में वैसे like she used to get the 3-4 cups in a tray and serve it and full overacting जो जेमी करती है कि I made chai for everyone and all of that just I don't know शायद उसको good books में आ रहे थे singers के क्या जेमी
नहीं ऐसे कुछ नहीं था I should come and make chai so I should get it in a tray like a sophisticated girl and it should go take like Tracy ma'am used to come, the Trupti ma'am used to come, some of her teammates used to come like take and they should wow such a sweet girl she is. I'm like yeah nah I haven't. Smriti is like she's not sweet. No but I used to love making chai for everybody. Then after that I thought Smriti was like Jemmy तो एक काम कर एक टपरी चालू कर that's best for you I think.
Perfect. Actually, you have a lot of career options, na? Like, अगर cricket, you play hockey, चाय भी ठीक ठाक बना लेती है. You want me to tell more things?
No.
Okay. Let's keep it to that.
Yeah. No, I can start a tapri. I'll just put your photo over there. Many more people will come to that shop. I don't mind. I'll get more.
No, I think if you're preparing, I think people will come. Like Mumbai ki Rani, man. Everyone will like, oh, Jemima Rodrigues ki tapri.
No, I think for the lockdown, this double trouble is only 5. We stick to it and we play cricket. That's the best, I think. Okay, anyway, guys, so this is one of our stories that we remember. But yes, coming back, we have to invite our guest today. I am super excited for today's show and for the guest today because, Smriti, you know why?
Yes, because I think today the person who is coming is Jemmy's favorite and like till he is batting, he doesn't move from one spot. So I think, yeah, we all are really excited to have him today on the show.
Yes. So, ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for Rohit Sharma. Bhaiya, welcome on the show.
Thank you very much. It's a great pleasure to be talking to you guys. We don't get to talk so much while we are playing. So it's good to have a chat, understand what all of us are doing during this lockdown. This is the first time ever we're doing something like this, so it's very different for the audience. So it's nice, pretty good.
थैंक यू भैया. आई थिंक फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन मैं पूछना चाहूंगी कि आई थिंक अभी का सबसे लाइक हॉट फेवरेट क्वेश्चन है, घर पे कर क्या रहे हो आप? लॉकडाउन में चल क्या रहा है?
कर तो आई मीन सब लोग कर रहे हैं वही मैं भी कर रहा हूँ. घर में बैठा हूँ, जो कुछ घर में छोटा मोटा काम होता है वो कर लेता हूँ, और मेरी 1.5 साल की बच्ची है उसके साथ खेल लेता हूँ. फिर उसके बाद जो थोड़ा सा प्रोग्राम दिया हुआ है एनसीए ने वो फॉलो करने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ, क्योंकि इस लॉकडाउन के पहले मैं इंजर्ड था, उस वजह से मैं न्यूजीलैंड तो मेरा रिहैब चल रहा था बैंगलोर में. उसी के जस्ट पहले लॉकडाउन हो गया, तो मैं पूरी तरीके से फिट नहीं हो पाया. तो अभी मेरा थोड़ा सा लास्ट सेगमेंट बचा हुआ था ट्रेनिंग का, तो वो मैं अभी घर पे करने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ, क्योंकि मेरे पास अभी बहुत टाइम है, तो मैं आराम से कर रहा हूँ ट्रेनिंग.
But actually, many people know like the Rohit Sharma side of you. Nobody knows the daddy side of you. So how has life changed after having Samaira? Means your daddy duties. Means are you keeping up with the responsibilities? Is it too much? Do you have sleepless nights? Like how is it?
I'm trying. I'm learning as well, because it's something new for the first time daddy. I actually go on internet and read books. I try and follow what the other daddies have done in the past through internet. तो कुछ ना कुछ टिप मिल जाते हैं. I don't know if she's going to play any sport or anything like that. I don't know. I would want her to choose her own dream and follow that. We will be there to support, because I know how much important it is as a parent to support your child. So we will try and do that. If she wants to become a cricketer, yes, why not? I mean, if she wants to become whatever she wants to, we will just have to stick by it and make sure that we give 100% to her.
But I think tell her every half an hour before sleeping कि batters होना कितना अच्छा होता है. Sorry bowlers, nothing against you guys, but it's so convenient to stand at one place and bat rather than come उतना effort लगाओ और bowling करो.
नहीं, बॉलर्स के लिए बहुत डिफिकल्ट है. हम बॉलर से हमेशा सुनते हैं ये चीज कि बॉलिंग करना, खास करके टेस्ट मैच में जब कंडीशंस इतने इजी नहीं होते बॉलर्स के लिए, दिन में 25 ओवर डालना, फिर 2-2.5 दिन फील्डिंग करना, इतना आसान नहीं होता है बॉलर. तो I mean,
same conversation in our dressing room.
Yes. बॉलर लोग से बहुत ताने मिलते हैं कि तुमको क्या करना है, तुमको तो बस जगह पे खड़े रहना है, नेट में भी हमको ही बॉलिंग करनी है, सब जगह हमको भी भागना है.
बहुत होता है, खास करके मोहम्मद शमी. तो बिल्कुल भी पसंद नहीं है नेट में बॉल.
But I remember playing Shami Bhaiya. I think he was doing rehab and he was bowling at a very 120 wala pace, like for us, something utna pace pe. But I thought, okay, he's gonna bowl 120 and he promised कि वो मुझे body पे ball नहीं खिलाएंगे. He will only give 5th stump, 6th stump. So I was like, okay, no worries. So the way he was ball was coming in and then cutting out, and then 2-3 balls I got beaten, of course, because I am not used to that pace. होना ही है. And then third ball he hit on my inner thigh. And I would say कि 10 दिन तक I think वो black से blue से green, I think हर color change हुआ था.
ये लोग करते हैं, ये बॉलर का गुस्सा होता है, क्योंकि they are always frustrated. Because net में it doesn't matter, even if you hit a boundary, you hit a 6, it doesn't matter, right? Even if you get out, it doesn't matter. So शमी के लिए खास करके हमने उसको नेट में इतने बार बोला है कि भाई बाउंसर मत डालने, बट तो इतना पसंद है, वो भी बोलता है कि मत मारो, नीचे से खेलो, ऊपर से मत मारो. और मुझे बैटिंग करने पसंद नहीं होता है नेट में. ओपन नेट होता है तो मुझे मजा आता है, बट बंद नेट में मजा नहीं आता. और वहीं पे शमी को बाउंसर डालना मजा आता है. So it's basically take a revenge.
Okay, talking about that, which is the toughest bowlers you faced in the nets? Like maybe Mumbai Indians or India?
Actually शमी है. हाँ. नेट के जो पिचेस होते हैं ना, वो हमेशा ग्रीन होते हैं.
Yeah.
Yes.
पिचेस पे काफी मॉइस्चर होता है, तो एंड शमी भैया लव whenever he sees the green pitch, वो और दो और थोड़ा ज्यादा बिरयानी खा के आता है तो वो ताकत मिले। तो आई थिंक नेट में सबसे ज्यादा डिफिकल्ट मैंने देखा है उसको शमी को, क्योंकि शमी को हम ज्यादा खेलते हैं, बुमराह इज ऑल्सो डिफिकल्ट, बट बुमराह 2 या 3 साल हुआ है उसको, शमी को मैं 2013-12 से खेल रहा हूँ। और नेट में मुंबई इंडियंस के भी नेट में बुमराह बॉल डालते हैं, बट मैंने उसको ज्यादा फेस नहीं किया है जितना मैंने शमी को किया है। तो हाँ, एक्चुअली इन दोनों के बीच में अभी कंपटीशन चल रहा होता है कि मैं कितना बीट कर रहा हूँ, मैं कितना हेलमेट कर रहा हूँ बैट्समैन के, तो इन दोनों कंपटीशन चल रहा होता है और उसमें हम बैट्समैन मरे जाते हैं।
आप कितने बैट्स कैरी करते हो?
मैं 7-8।
Not bad. I thought it will be around 15-20.
नहीं. See, it's. I mean, 15-20 bats you will never use it because I've been on a tour for more than 2 months, 2.5 months also, and I saw ended up using only 3 bats in the entire tour.
Right.
हो सकता है मैं उस टूर पे ज्यादा जल्दी आउट हो रहा था, ज्यादा बैट पे बॉल बट फिर भी नेट में आप बैटिंग करते हो ना, जो अगर आप मैच में नहीं कर पाते हो बैटिंग, वो आप जाके नेट में गुस्सा निकालते हो बैटिंग का, तो उतना बॉल में नेट खेलते हो। बट मुझे 3 से 4 मैक्सिमम 4 बैट, उससे ज्यादा कभी यूज नहीं हुआ, अनलेस आई थिंक T20 में ज्यादा यूज हुआ है क्योंकि बैट वहां पर ज्यादा टूटते हैं। तो हाँ, जब भी आप शॉट वॉट मारते हो, लंबे शॉट्स, ये वो आपको करना पड़ता है, थोड़ा स्लॉगिंग वॉगिंग।
आप तो बस लंबे शॉट ही मारते हो।
Effortless.
मतलब आप how can you even hit a Yorker for a 6? I don't, मतलब वो I can't even imagine.
यॉर्कर पे मैंने मारा है 6, आपने पता नहीं?
Yeah. Wide Yorkers over point so many times. I have tried replicating that shot. वो हुआ नहीं कभी।
वो फेवरेट शॉट है मेरा, क्योंकि ये ना मैं हमेशा वो शॉट प्रैक्टिस करता हूँ नेट में। आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट 2013 and 14 व्हेन आई यूज्ड टू बैट इन मिडिल ऑर्डर। तो वहां पर है ना क्या होता था कि आई हैड टू फिनिश ऑफ द गेम्स, राइट? इफ आई एम बैटिंग मिडिल ऑर्डर तो मुझे नीचे जाके, मुझे पता है या 10 या 15 बॉल मिलेंगे खेलने। आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट ओनली T20 क्रिकेट। तो मैं मलिंगा को मैं रिक्वेस्ट करता था, मलिंगा भाई मेरे को सिर्फ 5 बॉल आप डालो, चाहे आपको पैर पे डालना है पैर पे डालो, बट मेरे को 5 बॉल यॉर्कर डालो आप। तो वो बोलता था हाँ ओके मचा, नो प्रॉब्लम। तो बॉल डालता था तो मैं उसको बोलता था कि मेरे को ऑफ स्टंप के बाहर डालो यॉर्कर, और पैर पे भी डालो और स्टंप पे भी, तीनों जगह डालो। तो वो जब ऑफ स्टंप के बाहर जब डालता था ना, तो मैं वो शॉट मारने की प्रैक्टिस करता था। आई यूज्ड टू ट्राई एंड टेक दैट बॉल ऑन द फुल, ताकि वो बॉल फुल जस्ट बैट के बॉटम जो होता है उसके जस्ट ऊपर लगे और वो स्लाइस होके जाए, क्योंकि जब बॉल मिडल होता है और जब जाता है ना तो
मेरा एक प्रॉब्लम है हमेशा बैटिंग के वक्त 70s या 80s पे आउट होना। आई थिंक वनडेज में, आई थिंक जेमी शुड नो, मैं शायद हमेशा, आई थिंक स्पेशली व्हेन आई एम बैटिंग इन इंडिया, I think 70s and 80s I would have scored maybe around 10 to 12, and then uske upar then it doesn't get converted to the score. So you have such big double hundreds, and whenever you get to 30 you always end up scoring those big hundreds. Like, what is the mindset?
Mindset is very simple, because I lost years of my career batting in the middle order without scoring too much. तो मैंने डिसाइड किया कि जब ओपनिंग में इतना अच्छा मौका मिल रहा है, 50 ओवर खेलने का मौका मिल रहा है, अगर मैं पहले 10 ओवर खेल गया तो उसके बाद मैं आउट अपने गलती से ही हो सकता हूँ, मुझे बॉलर नहीं आउट कर सकता है। पहले 10 ओवर में मुझे बॉलर आउट कर सकता है क्योंकि हेल्प होता है, स्विंग होता है, सीम होता है, कुछ ना कुछ होता है। तो मैं अपने माइंड में यही बात करता था कि 10 ओवर मेरे को कैसे भी खेलना है। इसीलिए मेरा स्ट्राइक रेट अगर आप देखोगे पहले 10 ओवर में उतना नहीं रहता, तो मैं वो रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी वो सोच के खेलना पसंद करता हूँ, क्योंकि अभी इतने साल आप खेलोगे तो you have to take the responsibility on yourself, not any other guy to come and do it for you. Now, the senior most guy in the team, you have to take the responsibility and make sure that if you don't get out in the first 10 overs, make sure that you bat 50 overs, yeah. 200 हो या 250 हो या 300 हो, because पहला 6 साल का जो मेरा करियर रहा है, 2007 में मैंने डेब्यू किया था, 2007 से लेके 2013 तक, I mean there were a lot of ups and downs. ज्यादा तो डाउन्स ही था, अब तो ज्यादा नहीं था, वो सब चीज जो मैंने खोया है, वो चीज को मैं बैलेंस करने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ अभी। वो चीज को मैं लाने के लिए देख रहा हूँ कि चलो वो 6 साल चला गया, वो वापस तो नहीं आएगा, बट अभी जो आने वाला टाइम है वो मैं रिकवर कर सकता हूँ बड़े बड़े रन।
Right.
And even one more thing, you recently got ICC Men's ODI Player of the Year, and I remember जब मुझे वो 2018 में मतलब Player of the Year मिला था, I was like crazily excited. I think 15 मिनट तक I called up like everyone because ICC award is something which it's very prestigious. So
हाँ.
I think मम्मी पापा भैया को कॉन्फ्रेंस पे लिया है because I was also like 21 or something. तो मुझे ऐसे हुआ कि चलो let's just tell them the excitement and all. So like how was your reaction? कि आप like you got that excited or it was just like any other award for you?
Honestly speaking, मतलब of course any if anybody recognizes your performance, it feels good. बट मेरे लिए ये जो अवार्ड्स और वो सब है ना, वो मैं उतना इम्पोर्टेंस नहीं देता हूँ, क्योंकि सी आई मीन यस फॉर अ मोमेंट यू विल फील गुड अबाउट इट, बट देन कितने टाइम तक रहेगा आपके साथ ये? उस टाइम पे आपको वो खुशी मिलती है, उसके बाद वो खत्म हो जाता है, राइट? क्योंकि आपको लुक फॉरवर्ड नाउ आफ्टर दैट बिकॉज यू हैव सेट अ स्टैंडर्ड फॉर योरसेल्फ. आपको एक करना है उसके बाद, तो इट्स अननेसेसरी प्रेशर. सो ऑफ कोर्स आई मीन आई it with utmost respect all the awards. ऐसा नहीं है कि I don't want award, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, but मेरे लिए उतना important नहीं है awards because पता नहीं, I just feel that it is not so important. खेल के जीतना, वर्ल्ड कप जीतना, ये मेरा ड्रीम है, बस वर्ल्ड कप जीतना है कैसे भी करके. तो हम दोनों टीम के बीच में एक चीज बहुत कॉमन है कि आईसीसी नॉकआउट्स में सेमीफाइनल में हम लोग हार रहे, आप फाइनल्स में हार रहे हो.
I think it's important for us to lose a league match and then win matches in knockouts. क्योंकि last 2 World Cups हम चारों मैच नॉकआउट जीतते हैं and semis और फाइनल्स में जाके हार जाते हैं.
हाँ, आईसीसी चैंपियंस ट्रॉफी 2017 में हम फाइनल्स हार गए और पूरे लीग में एक भी मैच नहीं हारे थे हम. सेमीफाइनल फाइनल तक एक भी मैच नहीं हारे, फाइनल हार गए. ये तो लास्ट ईयर वर्ल्ड कप हुआ, उसमें भी हम सिर्फ एक मैच हारे इंग्लैंड के साथ और सेमीफाइनल हार गए. यू आर राइट इन अ वे कि यार हमको एक्चुअली है ना मर मर के पहुंचना चाहिए फाइनल सेमीफाइनल.
या यू शुड नॉट गो लाइक ऐसे फर्स्ट पोजीशन.
मुंबई इंडियंस पहुंचती है ना.
हाँ, मुंबई इंडियंस इज द बेस्ट एट दिस एक्चुअली.
ऐसे 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 ही रहते. मैं देख रहा था मैच, आप लोग का फाइनल देख रहा था. इट वाज I mean, she played really well. यार, उसने बहुत अच्छा बैटिंग किया. You can't do anything about it. Every ball she was stepping out and she was hitting it over the fielders, and she was lucky also. Some shots that she played fell right in the gap between the 2 fielders and all that. कभी-कभी होता है ऐसा. You have to give credit. कोई आके ऐसे exceptional batting करके चला जाता है.
बट ये हमारे साथ ही बराबर नॉकआउट होता है.
तो टीम को, आपको भी और हम लोग को भी हवन करना चाहिए फाइनल के पहले. एक दूसरे के लिए करना चाहिए दोनों को.
Next time I'll make sure I do that.
I had one more question, and this is like one of my favorite questions I ask everybody. Like I have met Sachin sir and Virat sir. So Virat Bhaiya, sorry. So this is the question I normally ask. Like, how do you handle the expectation and the pressure? Like every time you walk on the field, like since you've been so consistent, even the World Cup we've seen, like you had an average of 100. So every time you walk on, like everyone's expecting from you. You yourself have personal expectations. Okay, now this is a match. Now I've set the standard, so I have to keep up to the standard. So how you deal with that expectation? As you said, you got the ICC award too. It's like more now a responsibility.
So see, I mean, that's why I don't get so excited with all these trophies and accolades and all that. I prefer it. Of course I will have a quiet moment where I will celebrate myself, and then because I know there is a job at hand after that. So a lot of it actually, not just like few months. We play cricket the entire year, and every year, every month is that much challenging. So for me, it has always been the same case. Firstly, I don't play for anyone. I play for myself and I play for the team. I want to contribute in whatever way I can. and make sure that the team wins. Because I've seen you score 100, you score 200, 300. If you don't win the game, there is no fun.
Right.
That's what happened to me in the World Cup. I mean, all those hundreds. I mean, I don't know where it's lying. It's lying somewhere because we don't have the trophy.
Right.
So expectations, as long as you're playing cricket, as long as you're playing for the national team, expectations will be there, and that is mandatory. That is not going to change. From a 10-year-old to a 60-year-old, will expect you to score runs. Will expect you to do something magical every day. That shouldn't be on your mind when you are playing, and that is what it has taken me a lot of time to deal with that. The first 5-6 years was very, very difficult, and how I came out of it is just ignore, like create a shield around you, and all these things shouldn't travel inside that. Right. I mean, how you do that is by mentally staying strong. Just make sure all those things are away from it. To do that, you need distractions. I had distractions in terms of my family. So every time we finished a game, whether it was a good game or a bad game, I used to straight away get involved with my family. बच्चे से बात कर लिया, माँ से बात कर लिया, पिताजी से बात कर लिया, वाइफ से बात कर लिया, my friends and all that. Luckily, I've got a lot of people around me who I consider them as like my shield. So I will call my friend and distract. We'll chat something stupid every day. ये हुआ, वो क्या हुआ. So ऐसे मेरे बहुत दोस्त थे. तो जो बच्चे के साथ थे, उनके साथ मैं टाइम पास करता हूँ बात करके. चाहे मैं इंडिया में हूँ या न्यूजीलैंड में हूँ, कहीं पे भी. तो I find, I mean, you have to find ways to distract yourself. Otherwise, ये चीज आपके कान में हमेशा आती रहेगी.
I think that's it for today. Rohit Bhaiya, thank you so much. I mean, for giving your precious time to us. More than anybody else, I think today we both have learned a lot, and definitely we'll try and implement some of this stuff. So thank you once again for coming on this show.
Thank you.
Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, this is my favorite segment, question and answers with Smriti and Jemmy. So Smriti, old ladies first, you go ahead.
Thanks, Jemmy, for that old ladies. I'll get the revenge soon. Yeah, so first question for me is from Manjit Singh. Which is your best moment with Jemima on field? Jemima. Yeah, I think the best moment with Jemmy on the field is when we are fielding. अपन जब सब साथ में fielding करते हैं, and you are at deep mid wicket and I'm at deep mid wicket from the other end. So we don't get to see each other a lot. So that's like very peaceful for me.
Thanks. You just spoke like a true friend. My heart didn't break.
No, but on a serious note, I think the partnership which we had against Australia in Baroda, where we got like 100 odd runs in 13 overs in a one-day match. Yeah, that was quite memorable.
Right. I remember. I totally agree. So the first question for me is by SSMV Ashik. So that's what his handle name is on Twitter. आप दोनों की highest partnership. I think our highest partnership was in New Zealand, 190. We are chasing 193. Yeah. Remember, Smriti, the 3 runs were left and you got out. That is
Thanks for speaking like a true friend again.
Revenge.
Yes.
Yes, Smriti.
I've got a question from Sajad. Do you guys prefer any fielding positions and your favorite shots too? I think, Sajad, as I said earlier, we don't get to choose our fielding position, especially in T20s, because we are always somewhere around outfield mein, somewhere around deep mid wicket or long on. So that's only favorite positions at the moment. And favorite shots, I love playing cover drive, front foot cover drive.
Same. I mean, nobody cares, but still I also love playing the cover drive.
Yeah. So same. I think all the cricketers love playing front foot cover drive, right?
Yes. So my question is from Rajeshwari. Jemmy ma'am. Okay, first thing, don't call me ma'am. Please just call me Jemmy. Jemmy, we all know that you will surely make your own dance team one day. So can we expect Smriti ma'am as a member of your dancing 11? Looking at Smriti's dance, definitely she'll never be a part of my dancing 11. But yes, I'll take Smriti only so that I get more views if I post it on Instagram or something. So I just put her just so that she stands there and people see her face. Oh, Smriti said, let's watch. So only for that I'll take her. Otherwise, I'll look at a dance post. Never.
Matlabi dost. Yeah, so I've got a question from Ashwant Nani. A small message for all who can't get your reply today. I think Ashwant, we are trying to reply a lot of people, and we might cover up all of them till the 12th episode. But अगर नहीं हुआ, but just one message that keep loving the way you guys are loving me. I think through my ups and downs are always there. So yeah, that's what gives me strength to go out on field and perform for India. So yeah, keep that coming, and hopefully we all will make you guys proud soon.
Don't worry, Smriti. I'll also always keep supporting you. No one? Okay, so my question is the last and final question that we'll be answering today. Manjima has asked, I am 17 years old now and I've started playing proper cricket. So if I work hard, can I play for the country with you all? Definitely, Manjima. I think the best example is Haridi, Harmanpreet Kaur, who's now our captain. She started playing around the same age, 16, 17. But within a few years, she made it and she's now leading the country. So that's it for today, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the show as much as Smriti and I did. Please like, comment, subscribe, and let us know how do you all feel watching this show. Till then, this is Little J and Smriti signing off.